Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Gonna do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2014 Kawasaki 65 TMV-2 wheel loader that came in and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'll walk around, I'll talk about the features and functions. I'll get up close to everything, show you everything that I see, tell you everything that I know. Then of course we'll fire it up, kind of run it through its paces. Show you what little bit of play it has in the pins, let you hear the engine, show you that it turns good and strong, hydraulics are strong. As always, if you are in the market for a used wheel loader or a used piece of construction equipment or a used piece of ag equipment, please subscribe to the channel, please like the video. Your likes and subscriptions help other people who are looking for machines find our machines and find our videos, and we truly do appreciate it. All right, like I said, this one's a 2014 Kawasaki 65 TMV-2 cab heat air. It does have a JRB hydraulic coupler, Isuzu diesel engine. It's got brand new tires all the way around, air ride seat, radio, 149 horsepower, 7,671 hours. Starts up good, runs good, the hydraulics are strong. When we get into the operational video here in a little bit, we'll show you there's a little bit of play in the pins down here. Some of it's in the pins, some's in the coupler. Nothing I wouldn't expect for a 7,600 hour machine, but very strong on the hydraulics. As you see here, that green paint on the Kawasaki arms here is pretty doggone bright. The decals are pretty good. A few little scratches here and there. Nothing out of the ordinary. Front fenders, got a little ding here and another little one here, some scratches in there. Got mud flaps. Like I said, new tires all the way around. This front rim's decent. Pretty straight up here. Coming back to this rear fender. Again, a few scratches here and there. It is a 10-year-old machine with 7,600 hours. It's not perfect, but it is actually pretty straight. Yellow paint's fairly bright, as you can see here in this video. And it sure does run good. Again, new tire on this side. Bottom side of this rear fender's pretty good. This machine does not have much rust at all. I don't think it's ever been in salt or fertilizer or anything like that. Really pretty doggone straight back here. A few scratches here and there. It's got a little bit of, looks like cement splattered up on it there or something. That rear rim's in good shape. Everything looks pretty good back here. This light housing's got a little bit of a dent there, and that orange is busted out there. Coming around, taking a look at the counterweight. Pretty good, just your typical. It's got a few scratches here and there. This rear door's got two little small dents there, but other than that, it's fairly straight. Take a look down here. Everything looks pretty good there. A couple little scratches underneath there, nothing again out of the ordinary. Light on this side seems to be good. Steps. Both the engine enclosure doors are in good shape. They're nice and straight. Again, paint's fairly bright on this side. A few little scratches here and there back here, but pretty straight. Again, new tire. Rim's in pretty good shape. This rear fender looks pretty good underneath here. A couple little scratches here and there. Again, nothing out of the ordinary. We'll show you here in a little bit when we do the operational video. The two center pins are pretty tight. There's a little bit of play in the steering pins, but the center pins are fairly tight. Try to get up close to that here in a little bit and show you. This front fender's a little more straight than the other side. Got some scratches here on the outer edge, but no huge dents or dings there. Again, new tire. Rim looks good. Of course, just some surface rust where the paint's chipped off and everything. I don't see any cracks or welds or plating anywhere on the loader arms or the coupler. Again, kind of hard to tell here, but paint's pretty decent on this side as well. The coupler does work. Looking at this bucket, Bucket's nice and straight. I don't see any big bows or dents or dings. Cutting edge is pretty darn good on the bucket. A little bit of concrete in the corners there. A little bit there in the back. Top's pretty good. Everything back here looks pretty good there. That front face is pretty good. Again, that yellow is fairly bright. Go back and take a look inside the engine compartment. Latches both work really good on these. Shocks are good. Take a look in here. Try to show you what I can see. Get as close as I can with this camera set up. As you can see, nice and dry up here. A little dusty, but I don't see any oil or diesel running down the side of the block anywhere. Compressor. Everything looks pretty good back here. Go take a look at this side. Again, the latch works good on this side. Shocks are working good. Fins are pretty straight there on that cooler. There you can see nice side of the block's nice and dry. No oil or diesel running down the side of it. Everything looks good over here. Again, looks pretty good in here. Go take a look inside the cab and operator station. Steps are good on this side. The door's good. All the glass seems to be good. Inside, the bottom of that door is nice. It's not all rusted up here like you'll see a lot of times. This machine really does not have much rust at all. Just a little surface rust here and there where paint's been scratched off, etc. Floor mat looks really good here. Same thing up here. Take a look at that seat. Seat looks pretty good. Couple little spots right there, just where that fabric's starting to get a little thin. Back cushion looks good. Both armrests are present. This one's kind of, see, it's got a little bit chipped off at the back. Controls. Loader controls. Everything in here looks pretty good. That plastic's still fairly bright. Dash is nice and clear. Everything looks pretty good there. Up here, that dash, I don't see any big cracks in that plastic. Sometimes you'll see that. Everything looks pretty good there. Headliner, everything looks pretty good here. No, doesn't look like there's any major a little bit of a stain over there, but other than that, pretty darn clean in here. All right, like I said, this one's a 2014 Kawasaki 65 TMV-2. Plenty of photos on our website. That's listed down below in the description. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll shut these couple of shields. We'll fire it up and get right into an operational video.